As someone who has cooked since she was 9, I started to think about all the food that I have been surrounded by and potentially wasted. It is unfortunate that over 795 million people do not have enough food to sustain themselves. My passion lies in giving people the capability to nourish themselves 3 times a day, and it can all start at the local level. While recently volunteering at a local nonprofit called the Love Kitchen, I saw why places like those play such a large role in feeding the community. I love to cook, and I am very lucky to have easy access to the raw ingredients needed to transform staples into creations that nourish and taste good. And while hunger is a global problem, especially in developing countries, it is in fact solved at a local level. I really want to understand the entire system and business of food in a local area, finding out where food is wasted and where more could be produced, and see how all parties in an area could benefit. It could be from transferring food to others, or it could be in teaching and expanding the ability for people to grow their own food and selling the surplus to make money. Whatever the answer, I'm hoping to make it better for all, because people who are better, happier, and can generate more, which benefits everyone.